Facts about Pongal. Pongal is a harvest festival celebrated in Tamil Nadu. The main aim of Pongal is thanking the sun god, Surya Bhagavan, nature, cattle, and the people who support agriculture. It is celebrated in the month of Thai in Tamil calendar. Pongal means to boil over, and a special dish they made on that day is also called as Pongal. It is a 4 days of festival. Day 1, Bohi Pongal. It is the day before Thai first. On this day, people discard old belongings and ready to welcome the new ones. A bonfire is created to discard the old things. Then, the houses are cleaned and decorated with kaapkattu to celebrate the festival. Day 2, Thai Pongal. It is a main festival day celebrated on Thai first in Tamil calendar. Decorative patterns are drawn at the entrance of house. The traditional dish called as Pongal sweet is cooked in the decorated pot. The sweet is made from newly harvested rice boiled with milk and jaggery. On the third day, Mattu Pongal is celebrated. Farmers honor and decorate their cattle and offer prayers to them. Jallikattu or bullfight is a village sport is celebrated on this day. Day 4, Kanum Pongal. The families used to gather on river banks or seashore. They meet their relatives and get blessing from them. On the whole, Pongal gives importance to the creator and the creations.